Right, so hopefully this should be the last and final part 5. What we've got to do, I've just bought this new light because nights are getting dark. So we've got this to wire up. I'm going to wire that straight to the loom. Carb wants cleaning. I'm going to get spark plugger clean because that's been sat in that shipping oil. And then other than that, it's just get panels on. So let's go. Right, and to wire these lights up, you basically go white to a bit of wire, whichever wire, blue to the same wire, then you split them so they both go to a yellow but separate. And by doing that, you get yourself a working light, which when you're working, it gets brighter. Lovely, lovely. Right, we've not recorded half what we've done because I've just been trying to crack on with it. The car's basically been fully stripped, cleaned out with carb cleaner. Necessary bolts that need to tighten up have been tightened up, such as engine mount bolt and stuff like that were loose just from me playing about. The kickstart's been adjusted because that weren't sat right. Got to put this fuel cap back on here. Probably shouldn't have a fag near it, but we live and learn. So next it's a case again, the plastic's on. There's a bolt on the front brake caliper that wants tightening, bit of Loctite on it, and yeah, we should be nearly there. So hopefully the next videos you see, we'll be out of wood, buzzing. Right, so after what seems to feel like a lifetime, it's back together. All up and running sweetly. Time to go out in them woods now, baby. Hopefully I camp this Saturday, maybe, maybe not, but it depends on weather.